Right then, hopefully this is recording. A few days ago, or was it yesterday, and then not quite 2 weeks ago, I screenshotted some areas for earthquake predictions. So that's southwest Australia. So that was a while ago, 22nd of December, but I've properly been looking at things. Outgoing long wave radiation. Right then, so anyway, I'll try and hurry up. Southwest Australia. That is South Peru area, and then the bordering countries. Northern Egypt, Turkey, that area. And then I moved my Australia forecast eastward a bit. So when did I do these? 2nd of January. Today's the 5th. So that is west of Ecuador. Right then, so they are my predictions. Alright, they were a while ago. Let's look at this. This is earthquakes today on the USGS, the last 24 hours. So my southern Peru one was just in. That's about my screenshot size. So the earthquake is just in my screenshot. And they're not big earthquakes, but there's kind of reasons for that. But location wise, so that's about my screenshot. Possibly that. But anyway, pretty smack in the centre. 5.1. And no earthquakes around it. And then, boom! Mike, are you out camping that way? My brother's been doing camping trips in that area. So there you go. Earthquakes, yes, there's been other ones as well, but they're to be expected. So I've actually got two in an unusual spot, Australia and where was that? Turkey. That's not too unusual, but look, there's one earthquake in the whole of South America. I think there were some down here yesterday. So there you go. To a certain extent, earthquakes are predictable. Boom.